Hi class, this video is ALEKS tips. So I wanted to start by, in the wrong place. All right, so I wanted to start by showing you when you go into ALEKS, it'll always bring you out to the current module. So let me first talk about that. The Unit 1 Module A is due Wednesday at midnight, and at midnight, Unit 1 Module B will open. So what happens is ALEKS won't allow us to set up to have two modules open at the same time. So your Module A will always be due on Wednesday at midnight, and that way your Module B will always open on Wednesday night at midnight so that you can start working in Module B. This is true for every unit. And then Module B is due on Sunday at midnight. So you do not need to get 100% through all of the topics to do well in this class. 90 is an A, and if you get 90% of the way through the topics, then you will have an A on that assignment. Okay, so I just wanted to be clear about that. And so also I extend the topic after it's due. So there are two reasons for this. First of all, Unit 1 is not really due until Sunday, so even Module A, it will pull those grades into Canvas because it's synced to Canvas as soon as it is due. So at midnight on Wednesday, your Unit 1 Module A grades from the assignment will pull over to Canvas. And then on Thursday morning, I go in and I extend it, and I extend it all the way to the end of the term. That does not mean wait until the end of the term to do all your work. The reason I do that is sometimes if you didn't complete a topic, that topic will show up later on because you need it, and it'll make you do it later. And when you do that topic, you'll get credit back to the unit that it came from. Okay, so let's say that you had 5 topics left in Unit 1 Module A, and you get to Unit 3 and you need to know one of those missing topics in order to do the material in Unit 3. ALEKS will give you that material, and this way you will get credit for it. Okay, so I really want you to move through the modules and not get behind. I also don't want you to get too far ahead. So I'm going to show you guys how to maneuver in ALEKS. I'm also going to show you how to see some of your reports that are helpful. Okay, so here I am in Unit 1, Module A. Let me actually move into Module B. So on Thursday morning, you will be in Unit 1, Module B. Okay, and it'll look like this. And so the way that you would get back to Unit 1, Module A is you'll click this down arrow, and then this gives you all your topics in Unit 1, Module B. So if you're getting stuck on a topic and you're going like getting one right, getting one wrong, getting one right, getting one wrong, I recommend that you skip that topic. So just click this down arrow and then go grab the next topic and click start and start working on this one instead. And then we can do that one together in class on Friday, or you can send me a message and ask for help. So let's talk about the help features in ALEKS. So first of all, there's a calculator. The calculator is not available for this problem, but whenever it is available, I do recommend you use it. It gives you the right kind of calculator for the problem. So if you have exponents, it'll give you a scientific calculator. And then this is videos created by McGraw-Hill. This is takes you to your ebook, to this part of your ebook about powers and exponents, negative exponents. This is a dictionary. It will actually give you the definition of what an exponent is. And this last one is the most helpful. This will email me this exact problem. So if you're really getting stuck, or not even if you're really getting stuck, please use this a lot. Feel free to use this as much as you want. I do respond to these. So you can click this and it'll send me this problem so you can tell me, hey, I got the answer -2, b to the -9, c to the 15, and I can look at that and go, oh, you forgot to raise the -2 to the power of 3. So I can respond back to you what happened. So feel free to type your answer in or whatever else you need, but it will send me this part. It'll send me the question. Okay. Um, so feel free to email me as frequently as you would like. Also request appointments with me. I am happy to meet with you one-on-one. All right, so just a reminder, the way that you move around, if you click this down arrow, now I can move to different topics within Unit 1, Module B. They show up here. Or I can click this arrow up here next to Unit 1, Module B, and then I can move around only to modules I've already worked on. So right now you can move between Unit 1 Module A and Unit 1 Module B, unless you've finished 100% of both of these, and then it'll have you somewhere in Unit 2. Again, please do not work too far ahead. Okay, so that's the first thing I wanted to show you guys. The next thing is I am working on creating videos for you. I have quite a few already, and adding them into the modules. Let me go to Module A here. All right, so you'll notice there's a new resource that wasn't there before. So this is a resource that I added. So anytime you see this, this is me. I added this resource. So you can click on this, and this will take you to my YouTube channel. It's always labeled to match this, so it looks almost like it's them, but this is me. The first time you go, it's going to ask you to allow it to access an external source. I recommend that you click always for that so that you can always access my videos, so you don't have to click it every time. And I'm just going to forward a little bit, but basically I open up a Miro board and the problem, and I show you how to do it, and you can do it along with me. So I teach you how to do it, and I try to do these on any topics that I know ALEKS doesn't explain that well. I have already created videos for you guys for most of the graphing. Anytime, it doesn't come up until Unit 2, but let me go ahead and show you now, because I forgot on Friday. So it tells you here, graph a line. And I don't have one for that one. That's odd. Usually have them for almost all of the graphing things. Here we go. Okay, so I guess I hadn't created one for that. I've tried to create them mostly for graphing because figuring out how to use this to make a graph is not self-explanatory, guys. So that's what I show you in my video. I open up ALEKS and I show you how to move your mouse, how to click on these things, and how to create a graph, and how to use these different features in ALEKS to make your life easier. So anytime you see a video here and you see something weird in ALEKS, or it gives you a strange equation and then it gives you a calculator, I show you how to actually use the calculator as well. So those are when I really recommend that you open my videos and watch them. Okay. And again, these take you to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Instructor McNaughton's Math and Statistics videos. And I've tried to label Math 131, Math 131, but I've linked them all here in ALEKS. So you shouldn't need to go to the YouTube channel directly. All right. The other thing I wanted to show you is these 3 bars. These 3 bars take you to your, you can go to your home screen. Okay. You can also, from here, yours should say learn. Okay. You can go to your assignments. And you can go to your grade book, and you can go to reports. So I'm going to go to reports. So again, click these 3 bars to get there. And what I wanted to show you is this. So whenever you go into ALEKS, it brings you to this pie, not the most useful thing. But if you go to this, here's the current objective. But if I click below this, I can see my full report. So this shows me, after you took that initial knowledge check, how much you have to learn on every single topic. So I recommend you go and just take a peek at that. This will give you an idea how much work that you need to do for the course. And the other thing you'll notice is that the topics decrease over time. So Unit 1, Module A has the most topics, and then they go down. And then it stays right around 20 to 24 until you get to Unit 5, which only has 12 topics. So right around 20 to 24 topics, and you can watch your grade, because as you complete them, this will increase, and this will also show you your grade in addition to the grade book. So I do recommend that you pay attention to this, and the goal should be you want to get at least a B, right, in everything. So to get these grades to at least 80. Please let me know if you have additional questions. Please reach out to me. The best way to reach me is on Teams. If you send me an email question through ALEKS, those come to me in kind of a strange way. So please message me in Teams and tell me that I have that message from you so that I go look at it, look for it. Otherwise, I might not see it until the next time I log into ALEKS. So it doesn't show up like the same way things show up from Canvas. So I do recommend send me a quick message in Teams and let me know it's there. Please reach out to me if you need anything. Again, happy to provide one-on-one help or create videos. If I don't have a video on a topic and you need a video, shoot me a message and say, please create a video on this topic. Just click on that message right inside of the topic itself. That's the best way to do that. I look forward to meeting you on Friday, guys.